Hi, to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on Samsung Galaxy S25, you just need to go in your phone settings. From here, find General Management tab, and then scroll all the way down to find Reset option. Tap it, and now you got a choice. So we got many options for reset, but from the list, we need to choose Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap here. This will help if you got some troubles with connecting to Wi-Fi or maybe connecting your Bluetooth devices. So after reset, you will need to reconnect to your network and also reconnect all of your Bluetooth devices. So to reset them, you'll need to tap blue button Reset Settings, and that's it. As you can see, I disconnected from Wi-Fi. That is because I need to reconnect and enter password again. So that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.